You've done the hard part. You've opened a stocks and shares ISA, you've got a bit of money sitting in it, ready to go. And then you hit the wall. Everyone hits a search box, and literally thousands of funds to choose from. Names crammed with letters and jargon: ACC, Inc., ETF, OCF. It's paralyzing. So a lot of people just close the app and never actually buy anything. Let's fix that. By the end of this video, you'll know the one type of fund most beginners need, the 3 little decisions attached to it, and the tempting stuff to scroll straight past. Here's the good news: for most people, the answer is a single fund. Not 5, not a clever mix, 1. What you're looking for is a global index tracker, one fund that holds the whole world stock market at once, thousands of companies, across dozens of countries, in roughly the size they actually exist. The word to look for when you search is global, or all world. One thing worth knowing: some trackers, often labeled developed world, leave out the emerging economies like China and India. Others, usually called all world or all cap, include them. Both are sensible. The all-world version is just the most complete whole planet in one fund. Own that, and you're not betting on any single country or company. You own a sliver of all of them. Now the 3 small decisions. The first: that same fund usually comes in 2 versions, and the names look almost identical: Accumulation, shortened to ACC, and Income, shortened to Inc. The difference is what happens to the dividends, the little cash payments companies hand out along the way. With income units, that cash is paid out to you. With accumulation units, it's automatically reinvested straight back into the fund, quietly buying you a bit more, without you lifting a finger. When you're building for the long term, and you want your returns earning returns of their own, most people choose accumulation. It's compounding on autopilot, exactly what you want when you're trying to grow the pot, not spend it. The second decision: that global tracker often comes in 2 forms: an index fund, sometimes called an OEIC, or an ETF. Don't let the letters scare you, the difference is mostly mechanical. An index fund is priced once a day, you put your money in, and you get that day's single price. An ETF trades on the market all day long, like a share, with a live price ticking up and down. For someone paying in a set amount each month and then leaving it alone, honestly, either is fine. The real tiebreaker is your platform. Some let you buy index funds with free regular investing, while charging a small fee to trade ETFs, or the other way round. Pick whichever your platform makes cheap and easy, and don't overthink it. The third decision is the one number that actually matters: the OCF, the ongoing charge figure. It's the fund's annual running cost, taken quietly out of your returns every single year. For a simple global tracker, this should be tiny, somewhere around 0.1 to 0.25%. If you find yourself staring at something charging 0.75% or more, that's your signal to stop and ask why. And then, the tempting stuff to scroll past, at least at first. The single country bets, a fund that's only America, or only the UK. The themes: artificial intelligence, clean energy, crypto, whatever's exciting this year. And last year's star performer, sitting proudly at the top of the bestsellers list. They all feel clever. But they do the exact opposite of what a first fund should do: they pile your money into one story, instead of spreading it across everything. Own the world first. You can always play with a tiny slice later, once the boring core is in place. So, your first fund, in one breath, one global, all-world tracker, the accumulation version, so it reinvests for you, a low OCF, and an index fund or an ETF, whichever your platform makes easy. Skip the single country, single theme excitement. That, genuinely, is most of it. But here's the part nobody warns you about. The moment you buy, that fund stops being a tidy plan and becomes a number that moves. And one day, maybe sooner than you'd like, it's going to drop. Hard. 10, 20, 30%. What you do in that exact moment matters more than almost anything else we've covered. So next time, your investments will crash, and why selling is the one mistake that can turn a temporary dip into a permanent loss. See you there.